Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we'll explore PC Manager in detail. We will go through how to download and install it, followed by an in-depth review of its tools and features. If you're looking to improve your PC's performance and security, this might be the tool for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the installation, let's talk about what PC Manager actually is. PC Manager is a utility software that helps you clean, optimize, and protect your computer. It's packed with tools to boost your system's performance, remove junk files, manage startup programs, and even protect your PC from malware. It's a one-stop solution for keeping your computer running smoothly. First, let's download and install PC Manager. Follow these steps. Open your web browser, PC Manager official website. Link in description. Once you're on the official website, look for the download button and click on it. After the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder and double-click to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once installed, launch PC Manager. Now that PC Manager is installed, let's take a quick look at the dashboard. When you open the software, you'll see a clean and user-friendly interface. The main dashboard usually displays your system's health score, CPU usage, memory usage, and storage status. This gives you a quick overview of your computer's performance. From here, you can access all the tools PC Manager has to offer. Boost. This tool helps you remove junk files, temporary files. Health Check. This feature scans your system for junk files, startup issues, and potential security risks. Click Check now to analyze your system and fix the detected issues with one click. Process Management. Monitors running processes and allows you to terminate high-resource-consuming applications. This is useful for improving system speed and performance. Deep Cleanup. This feature helps remove temporary files, cache, and other junk data to free up space and improve performance. Startup. Shows a list of programs that launch at startup and lets you disable unnecessary ones. Disabling non-essential programs can speed up your PC's boot time. Windows Updates checks if your system is up to date and allows you to install pending updates easily. Keeping your Windows updated ensures better security and performance. Default browser settings. Here you can change your preferred browser. Taskbar Repair. If you're experiencing issues with your taskbar, such as it not responding or missing icons, PC Manager provides a quick taskbar repair tool. This can help with taskbar freezing, missing search bar, or unresponsive system tray icons. Restore Default App allows to reset their default applications for web browsing, email, media playback, and other functions if they have been changed by unwanted software. Pop-up Management, blocking unwanted pop-ups, notifications, and windows that appear on your computer. These tools allow you to control, block, or manage pop-ups that come from various sources like websites, apps, or system notifications. Storage Sense is a feature in Windows that helps manage your system's storage automatically, like automatic disk cleanup or temporary files cleanup. Deep Uninstall feature in a PC Manager refers to a more thorough method of removing programs from your system. Unlike the standard uninstall process, which only removes the main application files, a deep uninstall also looks for and removes leftover files, registry entries, and other traces that may be left behind. The toolbox in a PC manager is typically a collection of various utility tools and features that help optimize, maintain, and troubleshoot your computer. It acts as a central hub for managing different aspects of your system. PC Manager is a useful tool for those who want an easy way to maintain and optimize their Windows PC. While it may not replace professional cleaning tools, it offers essential features for everyday users. If you're looking for a simple and effective way to boost your PC's performance and security, it's definitely worth trying. That's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Let me know in the comments if you've used PC Manager and what your thoughts are. See you in the next video.